so you can get a student's discount on Apple products. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is just go to apple.com. Now, after you do that, you'll need to scroll down all the way. So if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you will see a lot of options right here. One we'll search for is for education. It's right here. Now just, select shop for college. Now after you do that, it will redirect you to this page right here. Now here you can see education savings, get special price, and so much more, something like that. You can check this site out. You can check all the products from here, but we'll just go from here. Let's see, let's say you want to get a MacBook Pro. So just select MacBook Pro, and there you can see you can select your size. You can select 14-inch or 16-inch. So after you do that, you will be able to see all of the different options. So just scroll down and you will see the price right here. So this MacBook here costs about something like this, and this is with the education savings. You can either pay it in full, or you can just get it for this many dollars per month for 12 months. So there are different offers. So now what you'll need to do is just tap on select, and after you've selected the product, you'll just need to select these, make it meet your requirement. And after you've done that, you can just add it to bag. And after you tap on add to bag, you can just scroll down. You can add accessories too, and after you do so, you can just buy this. So it's that simple, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.